Welcome back everybody to How To Knots for another knot tutorial. This is our 4th episode in the Ashley Book of Knots series, and today we're going to show you how to tie the overhand knot, which is ABOK number 4, also known as the simple knot. So, it's an easy one, I know, but we're going to work through the Ashley's Book of Knots one knot at a time. So if you're already not with us for this journey, make sure you subscribe and follow us along this journey as we venture through the Ashley Book of Knots, which has thousands of knots. So we hope to make this a great series. And let's get into the tutorial here. So I've got my rope here, and this is what the overhand knot looks like when it's tied. You can tighten it up. So let's start. It's super simple, so this won't take us long. You're just going to cross over the rope, okay? And then you're going to come under and feed it inside, and there it is. That's the overhand knot. I can tie it like this, and there it is. You can use the overhand knot as like a stopper, like this. It'll stop something from coming up, say your hoodie or something, or you need to stop it at the end of your line. It's for any purpose, really. So I'll show you again one more time. We're gonna take the end here, go over, underneath, and through. And now I'm gonna show you a quick trick to make a loop, if you ever need to, with an overhand knot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie a little stopper at the end here. Okay. Then what we're going to do is tie another overhand knot with a stopper on the end here. And look at that, and then tighten that up. And then what you have there is a loop with 2 overhand knots. So now you have an adjustable loop. If I pull on it, it's not going anywhere. So that's a cool trick you can do with an overhand knot, 2 overhand knots to make a loop. Anyways, this was a short tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed. And again, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and follow us on this journey for the Ashley Book of Knots series. We are actually an affiliate for a link for the Ashley's Book of Knots in our bio if you want to check it out and buy it and follow along with this series. All commissions from this link help us upgrade our videos, upgrade our setup, and help us make content for you guys. So we would really appreciate if you could check it out and check out the book, because it's a very great book, and it's just amazing for the amount of material in there for knotting. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next episode.